Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this guide video, I will show you how to fix OpenSea app not working. So if your OpenSea application is not working, there might be various reasons behind it. First of all, make sure you're connected to a stable network connection. If you're connected to a stable network connection but still your application is not working, the reason might be because your application is not updated. So what you have to do is simply launch open Play Store. You can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Simply search for OpenSea. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. Find the application for OpenSea and tap on it. Now you'll be led to this kind of interface. In this interface, you'll be able to find the option for update. Simply tap on it. Wait for a while and your application will be updated. Once updated, the bugs will be fixed and after that your application will start working. But if your application still does not work, what you can do is simply try clearing the cache. For that, what you have to do is launch up an app library on your device. Now what you have to do is find the application for OpenSea. Once you find the application for OpenSea, long press on it. Now you'll be able to find the option for app info. Tap on it. Now you'll be led to the app info interface of OpenSea. You'll be able to find various options over here. Find the option for storage and cache and tap on it. Now you'll be led to the storage interface. You'll be able to find two options over here: clear storage, clear cache. Tap on the option clear cache and the cache of your application will be cleared. After that, your application will start working. So like this, you'll be able to fix your app not working. But if your application is still not working, what you can do is simply try restarting your device. Sometimes a simple restart can fix your problem. So long press on the power button. You'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on the option restart. After that, your device will be restarted and your problem can be fixed. But if your problem is still not fixed, what you can do is simply try uninstalling the application and install it again. After that, your problem will definitely be fixed. So that is how you fix OpenSea app not working. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.